Hello everyone. Today's topic is agricultural marketing. Agricultural marketing refers to all activities involved in the transfer of agricultural products from the producer to the final consumers. They include storage, transport, processing, grading, and finally the sale of products. The price a farmer gets for these products depends on the organizations of the market. It also decides the proportion of the final price received by the farmers. What are the problems actually faced by agricultural marketing? These are too many middlemen between the farmers and marketing, force or distress sale. The middleman is giving a low prices to the farmers of for his product. So that's why he goes to the distress and he can sell. He's selling his product with the lower prices. Lack of organization. There is no organizations who are purchasing the products from the farmers with the higher prices or at the minimum prices for his product. Seasonal price fluctuations. It means the farmers produces the product. There is a no fixed price which is giving him a good profits. So that's why the price is fluctuate and he is selling his product with again lower price. It's a very big problem. Insufficient infrastructure, it means there is a no storage facilities to the agriculture to the farmers. So that's why his product is maybe in a faulty positions in the future. So he's going to the facing the problems. Insufficient infrastructure. The next topic, next heading, marketing forms introduced by the government. It's a very important role by the government sides. First one is cooperative marketing. There are three parts. First part, at the state level, there is a state marketing societies. Second one, at district level, there is a central marketing societies. Third one is at the ground level, that is at village level, there is a primary marketing societies. What are the functionings there? The functioning is number one, members agree to sell their surplus produce. Second, members get an advance from agricultural activities and also other needs. Third one, society processes the produce, grades it, and then disposes it off in the market. Number four, to save the farmers from exploitations, which is exploited by the middlemen, avoid the unnecessary middlemen, enable the farmers get a better price and save them from many problems. For procurement, distribution, export and import of agricultural products. The National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited, that is NAFED, was established by government for giving a good opportunity to the farmers. Second one is regulated markets. A regulated market is a protecting farmers, consumers and other market functioners from exploitations. A regulated market is administered by a market committee which consists of representatives of the state government. The local bodies like district board, the traders, the commission agents, and the farmers. The committee ensures some points. Number one, eliminations of malpractices such as incorrect weight charges. The second one is fixing the market charges. Number three, remunerative prices. Number four, redressing grievance. Number five, information about prices. Number six, help in securing storages facilities. Number seven, bringing down the prices spread. Straight trading. Number third point is straight trading. Food Corporation of India, the Maharashtra State Monopoly Procurement Scheme, Jute Corporation of India are the best example of state trading. And next is market infrastructure. It is a required for farmers. The first is the main problem faced by our farmers, that is transport. So transport facilities is provided, warehousing facilities provided, constructing of rural godowns for storage system, establishment of regulated markets, and institutional finance. These are important market infrastructure provided by government to the farmers. Thank you, thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's a market, agriculture marketing. It's a need of the farmers. So we are mainly focuses on these points. Thank you very much for attending my lectures to you all.